going on, guys? Got a box of a 93 Skybox Impact football today. Had it for a little while. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it, something like that. It says 32 there, but it's not what I paid. Somebody's kind of already peeled that back. So 400 card set. Get some kind of draft pick exchange card. I think that was like a redemption card, so that's no good. You get a colors parallel set, one in every pack. Kelly's Heroes, Magic Johnson fantasy football inserts. Chance at a Jim Kelly autograph insert. 12 cards per pack, 36 packs. Rookies you're looking for, you got Drew Bledsoe, Garrison Hearst, Michael Strahan, and Jerome Bettis. Nothing real valuable. Decent rookies anyway. Alright, here we go. I had to charge the battery up on the camera real quick. See what we got. I think I said one per pack on the color parallels. Draft challenge card, 180 packs. Kelly's Heroes, 1 in 12 packs, so you should get about 3 of those. Autograph, 1 in 2,000 packs. So you're probably not going to see any of those. It'd be fun to pull an autograph out of one of these old sets. I've never pulled one. So there's your standard base cards. Never heard of Derek Finner, I don't think. And that's your color card. It's got like a little foil down there where it says Impact, a little red foil or something. Tom Carter, I don't know him. Rick Meyer, I remember him. Didn't pan out. There's Jim Kelly. Ray Horton Super Bowl. I'm guessing that's just like a little subset or something. About dropped it. Bill Romanowski. That's the color card. Willie Roaf, Hall of Fame offensive lineman. Rookie card. Checklist. I don't recall ever having any of these cards when I was a kid. Definitely don't have any in my collection now. Troy Aikman Super Bowl card. Herman Moore. I'll pull him out. Roger Harper. It's a parallel. Willie Davis. Garrison Hearst rookie. Let me just stick all this stuff over here. Shannon Sharp. I don't know about that guy. O.J. McDuffie. Lincoln Kennedy. Terrell Buckley. I don't think that's his rookie year. Yeah, I think he had a rookie card 92. Got an Emmitt Smith Super Bowl. Johnny Johnson. Jerry Rice. Notice it's saying, I was thinking it was saying traded on all of these, but no, just a couple of them. Vaughn Dunbar. Class of 1983, Roger Craig. I don't know if Roger Craig was a Hall of Famer or not. He might have been. Cortez Kennedy. Rod Woodson. There looks miscut. Or mislabeled, misprinted or something. Eric Ball. There's Drew Bledsoe, rookie. Lawrence Taylor. Brett Favre. Marcus Allen. Tim McDonald. Got a kicker. There's one of the Achilles heroes. Steve Tasker. Magic's Kingdom, Elvis Patterson. Not really a fan of those cards. Not one of the greatest insert sets. Kevin Fagan. Bruce Smith. Dion Figures. Michael Irvin. It's Mark McGuire's brother, Dan McGuire. Didn't pan out either. Glenn Milburn. Drop that one. Marcus Allen. I was wondering if that's the same Tommy Maddox that played for the Steelers at one point. I don't know. I didn't think he had been in the league that long, but maybe. I know he played for him a couple years, I think. Lorenzo White. Ken Norton. Daryl Talley. Reggie White. Andre Reed. Gilbert, never heard of him. John Elway, class of '83. Kevin Green. Moose Johnston. Dan Marino, class of '83. Bruce Matthews. I was thinking he was offensive lineman. Richard Dent, defensive end. I typically don't hang on to the Hall of Fame offensive lineman. Andre Rison. Got a little different texture on it. That one didn't even get printed. This one I didn't see it. Kind of see the stamps missing, but it's a little different texture to the card. It's a little slicker. Another Bruce Matthews, Richard Dent, same package as had. Andre Rison. Howie Long, Impact. Michael Strahan, rookie. Now I think we just need Jerome Bettis. Dion. Ron Hall. Tim Brown. Ronnie Lott. Derek Thomas. Simon Fletcher. And we got Daryl Talley. Lawrence Taylor. That's an ugly looking card. Daryl Green. And there it feels like it's got a wax stain on the back. John Kidd, punter. Class of 83, Mecklenburg. Joe Montana. Traded to the Chiefs. Thurman Thomas. Willie Green. Jim Kelly, class of 83. Did I say class of 83? Yeah, I guess so. I thought I had a rookie card of him from 87. Maybe I'm wrong. Or maybe that was just his first NFL card. I don't know. Leon Lett. Rodney Hampton. Warren Moon. Rich Gannon. Mike Sherrard. Charles Haley. Chris Dolman. Leonard Harris. Junior Seau. Todd Scott. Eric Dickerson, class of 83. Moose Johnston. Brian Cox. Never heard of him. Oh, Ken O'Brien. Yeah, I don't recognize him. Chris Hinton, Richard Dent. The Bus, rookie card. So I think that's all the notable rookies. I mean, there might have been a couple of the guys. Howie Long. Card there looks weird. Vince Workman. Randall Cunningham. I'll pull him out. Ricky Jackson. John Elway. Heath Sherman. I guess it's just that card because that one there's got the weird looking color too. That's the or parallel. You got Rod Woodson, Darryl Green. Chris Carter. Eric Dickerson. Boomer. Vaughn Johnson. Yeah, that's another rookie, Natrone Means. Alright, camera shut off on me again. Damn, memory card was full that time, but here we go. I just got like three packs left after this, I think. Phil Simms. James Francis. Aeneas Williams. And Natrone Means rookie. Yeah, 3 packs. Nick Lowry, looks like a punter. Steve Young, Gary Clark, free agent. John Taylor, Darryl Green. I don't think we got very many stars over in this pile, the parallel pile. Alvin Harper, Barry Sanders, Jim Everett, Marino. Tom Rathman, Ricky Waters, Art Monk, and Charles Mann. So that's a 93 Skybox Impact for you guys. Got 3 of the ugly inserts. A bunch of parallels. I think, like I said, I think that was 1 per pack. Alright guys, thanks for watching.